Hey, what is up guys? Joshua Leon here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to play the 6-string guitar for beginners. Let's get started. You may need a guitar pick, something that I learned long ago. If you get stuck and you feel like you can't make it any further, just keep practicing. I used to sleep with my guitar, if that tells you anything. So let's get into the video. What we have here is the neck of the guitar. And the neck has these little sections called frets. In each fret, to make a sound, you want to press in between each fret. Each fret is divided by these metal pieces of metal strips. Okay? And if you push on the metal, it's sort of a dead string. You're not going to make it a good sound. So you need to press in between each section, not on the metal, but in between. Each string represents a pitch, and each pitch is in a certain key. It goes as follows: E, A, D, G, B, and another E. That is from low to high. Now the first key that I want you to learn is the key of G. And you're going to start with these 3 fingers. Your thumb wraps around the back of the neck of the guitar, so you're going to be doing that right there. You're not going to be using that finger. But you wrap your fingers around the guitar. You take this finger right here and put it on the low E string, which is the very top string on your neck. And it's going to be going into the 3rd fret. Okay, top string, 3rd fret. That's the next finger you're going to be using. It's going to be going in the 2nd fret and the 2nd string, which is your A string. And the next finger you're going to be using is your pinky finger. It's going to be going on the bottom string, which is the high E string, in the 1 to 3rd fret. You're going to push as hard as you can. Try not to touch any other strings but the ones that you're supposed to touch. And you're going to be making a G chord. The next key we're going to learn is the key of C. And that's going to be used with these 3 fingers right here. 3rd fret, 2nd string, which is the A string, your middle finger again. I'm not flipping you off, I'm showing you what finger you're using. You're using it in this 1 to 2nd fret and on the 3rd string. So then you have, and that is a D string. 3rd string down from the top is a D. And this one's going to be your pointer finger in the 1st fret and on the 5th string. And you can also take your thumb and kind of mute the top string so that when you strum, that top string's dead, so you're not going to hear it. One more key I'm going to teach you is the key of D, or the D chord. These three fingers, be pushing in the 2nd fret, 4th string, which is the G string, and then you're going to take your middle finger and push in the 1, 2, 2nd fret on the bottom string, and the 1, 2, 3rd fret on the bottom E string or the high, and use this finger to mute the top string. Use this finger right here on the bottom E string or the high E string. So altogether it should sound like this. And you can strum every string but the top string. This is what we've covered. We have G, C, and D. So you can start practicing with those keys. Make them go together. Practice changing in between, like just practice playing those keys and switching to each key in different ways until you can just do it like it ain't nothing. You see what I'm saying? Just keep practicing that. And if you are having trouble getting your fingers to stretch that far between each string, here's something that I learned to do. Do some hand stretches, like stretch each finger apart like that, and just keep practicing doing that. But also, you will develop calluses. Your fingers will get tough on the end.
Well, that's this one. If you dissed this video, you know what to do. But if you liked it, smash the thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos like this one. But until next time, guys, peace out.